Hi lovelies, welcome back. I would like to start from previous month. It's our Mother's Day cake. It's strawberry cheesecake and its flavor is so delicious and yum. Next on 3rd June we went to see some outfits like some stitch outfit or unstitched variety as well. So we went there and they also have great variety of makeup, nail polishes and other stuff as well. Next we went to Hush Puppies to see some variety of coat shoes. I really like all variety of coat shoes, but I absolutely love this red coat shoe. Some open shoes variety. Now I would like to show you some prep of Afghani chawal. So I am cutting thin slices of carrots for this and also clean up raisin. Now I will add some sugar in oil and then roast them well. On other hand, our meat is already boiled. We just need to make a tadka and just put the and fry the meat and the rice, and later on we'll top it with carrots and raisin. And here it is ready. Here you can see the layer cups and I like the Nutella one. Recently I've got this glass cup along with the polka dot green lid and green straw, so I can use it for drinking my detoxifying water, milkshakes, smoothies, juices and whatnot. And secondly, and if I remove this straw and lid, I can use this to have my oatmeals or breakfast cereals into this. So it is very handy. It has also a handle which is also very great and beneficial. Now we will prepare some peach and falsa shake. So I have already added peach and falsa, then I will add sugar, some salt and then regular water and blend it well, and my fruity juice is ready. This time I thought to bring a new flavor in my jams. I have bought this fig jams. It has a great health benefits because fig is very healthy. So why not we should try this jam. So it looks something like this, and we can also enjoy this along with the peanut butter on our toast. And now you can see some desserts for your sweet cravings. KFC fries and the adorable view of this fountain. It looks so adorable at evening time especially. My younger sister wants some new straightener, so here we are looking for a new straightener for her. So finally we have to choose from this purple and pink one. My favorite dark chocolate. Here you can see the tropical flavors in lip balm, and watermelon flavor is new addition to it. This medicine segmenter is very handy. You can divide or sort out your medicine according to day and time and can easily find out. Now while checking my paper, I am also enjoying my chocolate cookie and tea. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog and I will see you in my next one. Bye.